Hey everyone, this is Fault Man, and today I am going to be teaching you how to sharpen stones. Now, first you get the sharpening stone. Make sure you use the gray side, which is the actual grindstone. Then after you get the sharpening stone, then you grab a knife. In this case, I have my marine knife, and then you go like this. Make sure it's at a good angle, which you can't go like that. You have to be like that. Then you sharpen. You do 4 times, then you go back to here, and you go, and you do that 4 times. Then, when you're actually done, you can continue you grab the brown side, which is the smoothing stone, and you go I got this just this Easter because my parents are cool. So this is a video of how sharpening stones. Follow Up Man out.